In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana Team Management, how to use Asana as a team. First, let's begin by logging into Asana, open your browser or app, and sign into your workspace or organization. This will be your launching pad for organizing your team's efforts in Asana. Now that you're in, the first thing we need to do is create a team. On the left sidebar, you'll find the option for Teams. Click on it and then select Create Team. Here you can name your team and invite members to join. This is an essential step as it sets the foundation, allowing everyone to have their space to collaborate. Once the team is created, it's time to set up projects. Within your team, create projects for different initiatives or any recurring workflows you have. Asana provides flexibility with views, so choose between List View for more detailed tracking or Board View if you're aiming for a more visual workflow. This way, each team member can see ongoing work, prioritize tasks, and manage their workload efficiently. With projects in place, it's vital to define roles and responsibilities to ensure accountability. Assign a project owner who will oversee each project and make sure every team member is clear about their tasks. This helps in streamlining operations and reducing any confusion over who's handling what. Next, add tasks and assign them to team members. As you create tasks, include details like due dates, descriptions, attachments, and subtasks. These details are crucial in avoiding misunderstandings and ensuring everyone stays on the same page. Organization is key, so make use of sections, tags, and custom fields to categorize your tasks by stages, categories, or priorities. Tags and custom fields keep the team informed and make tracking easier by letting everyone know the status, type, or priority of each task at a glance. Moving on, let's talk about setting up automations with rules. Asana's automation tools can save you significant time by managing repetitive actions. You can automate moving tasks between sections, assign tasks automatically when the status changes, or even send notifications to keep everyone updated. By integrating these rules, your workflow becomes not only more efficient but also consistent. Communication is the backbone of effective teamwork, so encourage collaboration within tasks. Ask team members to use comments, add attachments, and mention colleagues. This is a convenient way to maintain open lines of communication, provide updates, and ask questions. Monitoring progress is also crucial. Utilize views like timeline, calendar, dashboard, and portfolio to gain a clear picture of how close you are to reaching your goals. Regularly check task completion rates, project milestones, and deadlines. Finally, regularly review and improve your team workflow. Conduct check-ins to discuss project performance, and based on these reviews, adjust your processes, templates, and automations to keep improving your team's efficiency. By following these steps, you can leverage Asana to streamline your team's efforts and achieve objectives more effectively.